In this video, I will show you how to use offline maps on Windows 10. As you can see, I don't have any internet connection and I still got access to maps of England. So let's get started. Step 1. Right click on your start, then click on settings, then click on apps, then go to the left and click on offline maps. Then in order to download maps, you need to click on download maps in here, the plus symbol, click on it, then select the region you want to download. I'll select Europe, and then you can select various countries. For bigger countries such as United Kingdom, which I will select now, then you can select the region or the country within the country. So I select England, and as soon as you do that, it starts downloading the maps for the offline use. Download is completed. As you can see, the file is around 700 megabytes and it took almost an hour to finish download. The time that will take to download depends on the size of the map. If you don't have enough space in your C drive, you can click and select a different drive to save the map. Other options are that by default the metered connections is off. That means if Windows 10 detect that you're not connected to a free and unlimited Wi-Fi, then it would not automatically update. Here by default, automatically update map is on. If you don't want it to keep updating, you can just select it to turn it off. As you can see, my Wi-Fi is turned off, so I can't access the internet. In order to access the downloaded map, go to the start and just type in map. Then you should find the app called Maps. Just select it, and here it is. We have downloaded England's map, which is this region. So if I want to search something in England, let's search for London, enter. So after searching London, and if you get this message saying we can't find London, the reason why you can't find it is because you need to type in the full address. So type in London and then comma, then England, and then press enter. And then it finds you London while it is offline. So it is important to put the full address, which is a bit annoying, I think, but at least it works. For example, if you want to get the direction from London to Heathrow Airport, then you can just click on directions. So you have to type the full name, type in Heathrow, London, England, and then click on get directions. Then it finds you different options for Heathrow Airport. If you're traveling with car, then you can select the first one. Then it gives you two options. If you go with the first one, so you can get driving direction from the center of London to Heathrow Airport car park. It only works for the driving directions. The transit and walking would not work. You can also set up a time for departure. And there are other settings, for example, toll roads, ferries, highways, and other options that you can see here. And the map has aerial view as well, street view, 3D cities, and more, as well as traffic. I don't think all these options would work on offline modes, so you need to turn on the internet, but getting a basic direction on maps would work. Bear in mind that this map is based on Microsoft Bing Maps, and it's not a Google map, but nevertheless it does the job. Bear in mind that if you're offline, the traffic info isn't available and the 45 minutes probably wouldn't be correct, especially in cities where the traffic is very high. So this probably could be 1.5 hours rather than 45 minutes. Then once you're happy with the route, just click on go. You need to click on show my location, and then it would give you a step-by-step directions to your destination. You can click on here and change its view from 3D to 2D. Once you have finished using the maps and you have left the country, for example, you went there as a tourist, then you can just close the map, right click again on the start, click on the settings, click on the apps, then click on offline maps again. And in order to save space on your computer, you can always come and delete all maps in here. Or if you don't want to delete all your maps, you can select the map that you don't want anymore and just click on delete, and that map is deleted. It will clear up some space from your computer.